Introducing ivenTUre. If you are a student of TU Dublin who has a business idea or would like to learn entrepreneurial skills to stand out from the crowd, then you could be perfect for ivenTUre. Why not spend this summer learning entrepreneurial skills, creating your own business, and maybe even becoming your own boss? ivenTUre will provide you with a fantastic co-working space for you to work on your idea, a series of practical workshops and masterclasses, and a chance to pitch to a panel of industry experts to be in with a chance to bag yourself some fantastic prizes. You will also receive an extra academic award upon completion. We are open to meeting all kinds of businesses, from fashion, childcare and fitness to products, apps and software. The list is endless. All that matters is that you have the passion to succeed and are willing to work hard. We will provide everything else. Between workshop days, you can locate at the startup spaces on any campus, meaning that you can tap into the expertise of established companies at TU Dublin and learn from those who have already made their millions. And the best part is, it's absolutely free. We want to help you develop your idea and maybe even create your own job. Your ivenTUre starts here. For more information and how to register now, see www.tudublin.ie/ivenTUre.